Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add your Udemy certificate to your LinkedIn profile so you can showcase your achievements professionally. First, let's navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the page and selecting View Profile from the drop-down menu. You'll see an option to add a new section to your profile. Go ahead and click on Add Profile Section to get started. LinkedIn will show you several categories. We'll want to choose Recommended from the options presented. Now scroll down until you find the Licenses and Certifications section, which is where your Udemy certificate will be displayed. Here's where you'll enter the exact name of your Udemy certification or badge. Make sure it matches what appears on your certificate. In the Issuing Organization field, start typing Udemy, and then select it from the drop-down that appears. This helps validate your credential. Next, you'll want to specify when you earn this certification by adding the issue date. If your certification has an expiration date, you can add that here. Many Udemy certificates don't expire, so you can skip this if it doesn't apply. Some certificates come with a unique credential ID. If yours has one, go ahead and enter it in this field. To make your certificate verifiable, paste the URL from your Udemy badge details. This allows others to confirm your achievement directly. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save, and your Udemy certification will be added to your profile for everyone to see. That's all there is to it. Your Udemy certificate is now proudly displayed on your LinkedIn profile. Feel free to run through this again anytime you earn a new certification.